FloorMaster, your local experts in professional cleaning services. To view our extensive range of services, including sales and repairs of all vacuums and cleaning machinery, we invite you to visit us online at floormaster.com.au. FloorMaster, your home of all your cleaning needs, from mops and brooms to the chemicals needed to complete the task at hand. Did you know we offer our range of services to both the general public as well as the cleaning industry? We offer a delivery service to all customers, as well as an in-store shopping experience. Having problems removing streaks on glass, mould coming back, or stubborn stains that won't budge? FloorMaster knows how to fix it. Professional cleaning products at wholesale prices, direct to public. Visit us online at floormaster.com.au. Here at FloorMaster, we can even help you solve streaky floor problems. So come and meet our friendly team at FloorMaster for all your cleaning solutions. Did you know we sell vacuums for domestic and commercial needs? Plus, we supply a 1-year warranty with all vacuums sold, plus offer in-house service, repairs and warranty. Come in and see us at 126 Mullers Road, Greenacres, or at our new store, 373 Crossroads, Edwardstown, to get the right vacuum for your needs. Or visit us online at floormaster.com.au. FloorMaster, your home of all your cleaning needs,